Hi, I'm Stephanie Dang, and today I'm going to be using the July 2024 main kit only. I'm starting with this leafy background, and I layered on white cardstock, and now I'm taking this word cardstock and just cutting it diagonally and attaching it there. I'm just adding white border around all my pictures for this layout. Now I'm just playing around with the embellishment from the main kit and tucking it in. I'm adding some small bits of pieces of embellishments and flares, and then I'm pretty much done with my page. I hope my layout gave you some inspiration and you will give this a try. Have a wonderful, blessed week, everyone.